Hey everybody, Garrett here from Rolling Hops Beer Tours, bringing to you guys another Beer of the Week session. Today we're going to be talking about a wonderful brew from Park Brewery. We're going to be drinking the Off Your Trolley Belgian Pale Ale. So let's get right into it. I'm going to pop this puppy open pretty quick. A little bit about Park Brewery. They've been open since 2018. They're actually one of the few, if any, certified B Corporation craft breweries in the city. And what that means is that they hit this milestone of being, hitting the highest standards of environmental performance, public transparency, and legal accountability that puts them in this B Corporation certified aspect, which is really cool. It means they're dedicated to not just providing good beer, but also to the community itself. So you got English Pale Ales, American Pale Ales. We're trying the Belgian Pale Ale today. Typically light gold to maybe a darker red color sometimes. So this is in that sort of old classic gold style look. Really nice head to it. All right, so we'll switch it around, give it a quick taste and see what we get. Definitely a little bit more of a hop forward variety, but it's got that Belgian spiciness to it. If anyone is a fan of Belgian beers, usually they use a very particular type of yeast, and it's going to give you that spicy essence to it, and a little bit of fruity too as well, which is kind of nice. Crisp, clean, refreshing, very dry as well. A lot of Belgian beers tend to be a little bit more highly carbonated and a little more dry. Essentially what that means is, it's crisp, it's fresh, it's gonna hit your palate and then kind of quickly leaving you wanting a little bit more. That's a little bit about Park, the Pale Ale in general. If you ever have a chance to go check out Park Brewery, we definitely recommend it. They're part of our Junction walking tour that we will hopefully be able to run very, very soon. Until next time, I'm Garrett from Rolling Hops Beer Tours, and craft beer is here. Cheers.